One of the most common questions that we get from our clients when thinking about a solar system is how much does it cost? And that question is a lot more complicated than just throwing out a number. And it depends on your electrical usage. And so when we're sizing a solar system, we'll take into consideration your last 12 months of usage history and we'll size a solar system based off of that. We'll also discuss with you how big are you going to have any added loads down the road? Are you going to add a hot tub? Are you going to add an electric car? You're thinking about installing a pool. Are you going to be turning any of your additional loads into electricity? For example, a lot of people have gas dryers and they're thinking when they go solar that they're going to add an electric dryer. Those are the things we want to know. But when sizing a solar system, I tell most people install what you need now and then expand down the road because it's going to be hard for us to plan your future usage and size a system for that. That being said, when a client asks how much is a solar system going to cost, what I'm going to often tell them is, well, send me your electrical bill and we'll go from there. We can size a system that's best for you. Some clients of ours have budgets they want to stay within, and when I tell them a solar system is going to save you a set amount of money depending on the system size. So even if you have $400 or $500 bills, but you can only afford a smaller solar system, it's still going to save you money. It doesn't mean you shouldn't go solar at all. If you can only fit 10 panels on your roof, but you need 40, that's okay. Let's cut your bills down as much as we can with the system that we have, that we can design for your application. And that's going to be dependent on your budget. It could be dependent on your roof space. And that's the conversation that we want to have is what is the system sized for you? And how does it make sense in your application? What is the cost going to be for that system? So the question of what does my system cost, I say it very much so depends. And it's particularly going to be dependent on your application and your electrical bills, your usage, and what you plan on doing in the future.